Are you ready to join Beast VIP Group and trade with our BeastBug signals? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your account using our official link, verify it, deposit funds, and finally join the BeastBug VIP Group. So first, open our Telegram channel and click on the registration link shared there. Once you click the link, you will be redirected to the registration page. Here, enter your email address, create a strong password, accept the required checklist, and click on the sign up button. Congratulations, your account is now created, and you have officially entered the world of trading. Now the next step is setting up your account properly. Go to your account settings, select your country, and choose the currency in which you want to trade. For this tutorial, I'm selecting Saudi Arabia as the country and USD as the trading currency. Because in Forex or binary trading, USD is commonly used for deposits and withdrawals. Once your country and currency are selected, go to the upper left corner of your account. There you will see your 9-digit trader ID. Simply copy that trader ID and send it to our support team on Telegram for verification. The support contact is already available in our Telegram channel. Message our team and share your trader ID. Our team will check whether your account is registered under our official link. Once it is verified, you'll receive a confirmation message. After confirmation, open your account again and go to the profile section. Here you need to complete your email and identity verification. First, check whether your email is verified or not. If it is not verified, click on the resend button. Now open your mail app, find the email from the platform team, and click on the verification link. Once your email is verified, complete your basic profile details like your name, phone number, and date of birth. Now move to identity verification. Select your country and verify your identity using your national ID card. This step is important because it helps secure your account and keeps your withdrawals smooth. Now your account setup is almost complete. The next step is depositing funds so you can start trading with Beast VIP signals. Go to the finance section and click on deposit. Here you will see multiple deposit options like USDT, Binance Pay, Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and more. Choose the method you are comfortable with. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deposit using USDT TRC20 because it is one of the commonly used methods for crypto deposits and withdrawals. Enter the deposit amount. For example, I'm entering $100. You can also use the bonus code WELCOME50 if available to claim the deposit bonus. Always check the bonus terms before using it. Now click on Continue and Pay. A QR code or TRC20 wallet address will appear. Take a screenshot of the QR code or copy the address. Open your USDT wallet, click on Send, select the Tron TRC20 network, scan the QR code from your gallery, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. Once the transaction is completed, return to your trading account. Your deposit will reflect in your real balance. Now your account is created, verified, and funded. To get VIP access, message our support team again and type VIP access. Our team will verify your account and share the VIP group joining link with you. Now join the VIP group and stay active for signals, updates, and guidance. But before placing any trade, let's quickly set up the chart correctly. Open the platform, click on the 3 dots near the currency pair, go to chart type, and change it from line chart to candlestick chart. Candles help you understand price movement more clearly. Now set the time frame to 1 minute. In time settings, select auto time offset and keep your trade expiry at +M1. Also make sure your time zone is set correctly to UTC +530. This aligns your broker perfectly with our signals. Now let's execute our first trade live. We wait for the Telegram alert, and there it is. The signal says AUD/CHFOTC. Execution time is 10:46, expiry 10:47, direction is up. That means we have to enter exactly at 10:46 for a 1-minute duration. So open the platform before the entry time, search the pair, set your trade amount, and wait carefully. When the time reaches 10:46, place the trade in the given direction. We placed a $10 trade in the up direction. Let's watch the price action unfold. And look at that, a complete rocket shot win without a single drawback. Check out that real balance now. That's how you follow signals properly and precisely. Remember, trading involves risk, so never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Always follow proper money management and avoid overtrading. So this was the complete tutorial on how to create your account, verify it, deposit funds, join the BeastBug VIP group, and start following VIP signals. If you face any problem during registration, verification, deposit, or VIP access, Message our support team anytime on Telegram.